Today we're going to be installing some LED lights on my 2005 Ford Mustang GT. So this is from the company called Auxito. This is the second time they send me a LED lights to try on. I have them on my 2003 CRV also. I really like their stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it, and I'm gonna show you guys how to install it in this vehicle. But before we do that, we're gonna go ahead and see what it looks like before I install them. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the headlights for you guys. All right, so this is before. All right, so this is the one with the LED lights on. That's the stock headlight. Go ahead and dim the light for you guys so you guys can see better. Really nice and bright. Super easy to install. Let me walk over here so you guys can see the difference. I'm gonna test it out on when I'm driving too, so you guys can see the difference. All right, so this is what the package looks like when you open the box. It comes with a pair of gloves and the manual. Comes in a nice package. This is what the LED light looks like. Now we're gonna go ahead and pull the old one out. The old one's gonna be this one right here. So you have a connector right there. You got a tab that's on the other side. Let me go ahead and unplug it for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like. All you do is you got these two tabs here. You twist it and then you pull it out, and then you have this tab right here that you press, and then you just pry it. You use a flathead screwdriver to pry this out, but it just pulls out once you press on the tab, and then the whole headlight will come out, or the light bulb will come out. So we're gonna grab the new one. So what you can do is get the LED light bulb and slide it in here. Then you can hook up the connector last. It pops in there, and then you twist it to lock it in place. And then you just go ahead and grab your connector. Very easy to install. All right, so the passenger side is the same process. You have your tab right there that you pull out, and then you twist counterclockwise on these tabs right here, the plastic tabs, so you can pull the light bulb out. So that's the video for today, guys. If you guys want the same exact LED lights I have on this Mustang, I'll have the link down below. Just click on that link. Again, the company name is called Auxito. They make all kinds of LED lights and different kinds of lights for different makes and models of vehicle. They're a great company. This is my second time using them. This video helped you guys out. Give me a thumbs up. Also click on the subscribe button. So I'm gonna show you guys a different angle again. Really nice LED lights. Again, don't forget to click on that link below. And again, guys, thanks for watching.